Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss international current affairs MCQ multiple choice questions. Which country received a line of credit of $75 million from India for installation of solar parks? सोलर पार्क्स लगाने के लिए किस कंट्री को इंडिया से क्रेडिट मिला 75 मिलियन का? और द राइट आंसर इज क्यूबा. India has extended a line of credit of $75 million through its Exim Bank Cuba for financing solar power. And memorandum of understanding was signed between the Export-Import Bank of India and the nominated agency of Cuba government. ठीक है. Who has been recently named as the new ruler Sultan of Oman? And the right answer is Haitham bin Tariq. Oman Middle East की country है. The ruler of Oman and one of the longest serving rulers in the Middle East countries, Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said, recently passed away. He was not keeping well for a long time and was undergoing medical treatment in Belgium last month. After his demise, the former culture minister of Oman, Haitham bin Tariq, was named as the successor of Sultan Qaboos. It is mandatory to name the successor of the vacant throne within 3 days as per Constitution of Oman. Question number 3. Tsai Ing-wen was recently re-elected as the president of which country? Vietnam, Taiwan, Thailand, North Korea. And the correct answer is Taiwan. Taiwan was removed because of the tensions between China and Taiwan, which are growing day by day because of Chinese claims that the Taiwan belongs to China, territory of China. Taiwan belongs to China. Which country is to set up its new research base, Commandant Peary's Antarctic station in Antarctica? And it is Brazil. So Antarctica is basically no man's land. Antarctica is one of the continents, but because of the extreme weather conditions, no one lives over there. So most of the countries have claimed it and have research centers over there. India too have a research center in there. The International Children Film Festival was recently inaugurated in which South Asian country with the theme Under the World, and it is Bangladesh, the International Children Film Festival. Which country recently introduced a new scheme of fast track visa to attract scientists? And it is United Kingdom. The Britain Prime Minister Boris Johnson has recently announced the new scheme of fast-track visa to attract world's best scientists. The United Kingdom is expected to face a major job crunch as after the Brexit deal, the European Union citizens will lose the right to live and work in UK, and the natives of Britain will settle in the 27 remaining nations of the Union. The Prime Minister also announced the Global Talent Green program of £300 million for research in advanced mathematics.